This journey can be difficult, but on the macro level, I believe we are doing immense healing of ourselves and of the planet through the semen retention discipline. There are so many things beyond our control that we let dictate how we feel. Wet dreams is one of them. Stop worrying about loss of benefits, loss of magnetism. If you are truly worried about those more so than you realize the importance of your overall intention, maybe you should rethink why you are practicing in the first place. If your conscious intention is celibacy, and the body chooses to discharge without your conscious intent, think nothing of it and move on with your life. Many young men are troubled by wet dreams or nocturnal emissions. Even if a few of the hints in this video are observed, an aspirant will develop the correct attitude to life and will lead a disciplined spiritual life and ultimately attain supreme bliss. If there is occasional discharge, you need not be alarmed a bit. This may be due to heat in the body, or the pressure of loaded bowels or bladder on the seminal bags. This is not a pathological condition. You should not be afraid of this. You should not mind if the discharge of semen is very occasional. You need not worry about it. This is a slight flushing of the apparatus, or a periodical cleansing through a slight overflow from the reservoir in which the semen is stored up. This act may not be attended with sexual thoughts. The person may not be aware of the event during the night. Occasional discharges are of no consequence, but frequent nocturnal pollutions cause depression, loss of memory, severe pain in the back, headache, burning of the eyes, drowsiness. Causes and consequences. Such emissions may be due to various causes like constipation, a loaded stomach, gas-producing food, impure thoughts, and long self-abuse done in ignorance. Seminal weakness, nocturnal emissions, lascivious dreams, and all other effects of an immoral life will surely lead one to a miserable state of living if not checked immediately. This is accomplished through the practice of yoga. There is no strength higher than that of yoga. Lead a simple, natural life. You will become all right soon. Understand the laws of nature, the principles of hygiene and health. Do not trespass against the laws of health. Self-destructive habits. Avoid all kinds of self-abuse. They drain away your vital energy and leave you like a dead man or like the sugar cane from which the juice has been extracted. Vital fluid is indeed a priceless possession. Do not waste it for the sake of a momentary excitement and sensation. Give up the habit at once. You will be entirely ruined if you continue the practice. Open your eyes. Wake up now. Become wise. Shun evil company. Up to this time you were blind and ignorant. You were in the dark. You had no idea of the disastrous effects of this evil practice. Sexual excesses and outbursts of anger and hatred should be given up. If the mind is kept cool and calm at all times, you will have wonderful health, strength, and virility. Energy is depleted by fits of anger. The cells and tissues are filled with morbid poisonous materials. When one loses his temper and entertains deep hatred, various sorts of physical ailments crop up. The blood becomes hot and thin, and consequently, wet dream happens. Various sorts of nervous diseases are attributable to excessive loss of the seminal energy and frequent fits of explosive anger. The cure: practice yoga and meditation in the morning, as soon as you get up, for 20 to 40 minutes. Also, meditate for a while before sleeping. This is a great purifier. This will strengthen the mind and the nerves. This is the best remedy. Purify the mind by cultivating devotion to God or universe. Study good books. Observe your thoughts. Do not mix unnecessarily with women. Avoid bad company and evil conversation. Overcome laziness and always keep the body and mind engaged in some useful work. Keeping the mind constantly engaged is one of the great secrets of celibacy. Lead a disciplined, active life. When bad thoughts appear in the mind, observe and let go. Meditate on the advantages of celibacy. Think of the evils of a sensual life: loss of health, shame, disease, and death. You are the child of the Lord of the universe. Bliss is within you. There is not an iota of pleasure in sense objects. Dissociate yourself from the body. Identify yourself with the Lord. If your mind is pure and healthy, your body too will be pure and healthy. Therefore, forget the past and take to a new, better life of virtue and spirituality, love of God, and aspiration for the higher divine life. Learn to find taste in divine life. You will be a completely changed and blessed person.